verify by email and password. So what we need to do, optional PIO and here optional here optional and apply. So this is the our method that is a optional employee verify by email and password, string email, string password, and end with semicolon because it is the this is the interface. Inside of interface, we cannot write the method, so we just end with the semicolon to call it as a abstract method which does not have a body is called it as a abstract method also. So what we need to do at the rate query will be from which package. It will be from a data.jpa.repository.query. So this will be imported from here. So before you import it, check it carefully and then import it. And inside of query, you have to write your uh, JPQL query, that is a select employee employ employee by e e where e dot email is equal to email and e dot password is equal to passwords. So this is the query of our it. Yeah, this is the our JPQL query, which is deal with the our database. If our email which I we will enter and the password is true, then only we'll get the data. Otherwise, we will not get the data or we will not get login. So let's implement this method that is a verify by email and password. Go to the DAO class. So uh, here public optional STEMP employer verify by email, email and password. That string email parameter which needed is string password. Return the employer repo. So it's not a repository dot verify password. Yeah. So what they are doing, just we are implementing that method which is present in the employee repository class, and the query which is select e from employee where e dot email and password is true. So whenever we do this, it will go to the employee repository and that fetch that query in the database. If it's present, it will be get back to the repository object. Then we'll go to the implement the our service logic inside the service package. That is the employee service class. Okay. Take response entity, response structure, null, employee, verify by email and password. Plain email, password, response structure. Just creating the object to bind with the our response. New response structure. So then we need a one more thing, that is optional employee, receive employee equal to employee now that employee if is present, so verify the email and password. What we need to do, if receive employee present, if it's present, what we need to do, just get the response by structure dot set message login successfully. Then the structure dot set data, see reply, structure dot set status code, that is http status, http status dot ok dot value. Then return new response entity, structure comma http status dot ok, and come out of this block. And also we have to throw exception if we will not get this, if the email and password is not true. For that we need to throw new employee not found exception. Right, email and password. Yeah, and let's go to the REST controller to complete our yes method. Just copy and paste to the first line. Return employee service dot verify by email and password. Yeah, and then we also need to